waking up to a volatile stock market with tech stock jumping up and down, investor panic, businesses are unsure what is next. This happened after Trump officially kicks off his tariff plan. Trump is officially back to the White House in January 2025. This is his second term, and he is wasting no time to impose tariff to protect the US businesses. His main goal is to reduce illegal immigration and stop drug trafficking. But this tariff doesn't just affect politics but the overall stock market. Let's do a quick recap on the first term when Trump was in office in 2018. President Trump launched his first trade war with China in 2018. His strategy is tariff. He placed high taxes on Chinese goods, claiming that China is taking advantage of the US economy. At first, it seems like a strong move. The US targeted import like solar panels, washing machines, steel, and aluminium, which is about 4.1% of total US imports. And then the other country hits back with tariff, setting off a global trade war. The impacts: the stock market swing, investor panic, causing major ups and downs. Supply chains was in chaos. Companies scrambled to shift their manufacturing elsewhere, and higher consumer prices as import costs rose. So did the prices of the consumer goods. By 2020, Trump made a trade deal with China to end all this. However, the damage was already been done. The economic growth was slow, businesses has adapted, and investors grew more cautious. Now with Trade War 2.0, history might repeat itself on even a bigger scale. During his presidential campaign last year, Trump promised even tougher tariff, not just on China, but for imports goods from Mexico and Canada. Those are the major trading partners of US, and the US imports over $450 billion worth of goods from China each year. The major chunks, they are the electronics like phone, computers, and accessories. Unlike the first trade war, this tariff won't just hit the raw material, but also everyday products like footwear, toys, video game console, electronics, machinery, and equipment that businesses need to use to operate. This means higher costs for the companies, and this will pass on to the consumers. There's a bigger goal here. Trump wants to force businesses to move back their manufacturing hub back to the USA. It is a risky gamble and could shake up the whole market. How could this impact the stock market? Firstly, tech stock could struggle. Those tech companies like Apple or Tesla that have manufacturing hubs in China could struggle because of the higher cost of production. And this could mean lower profit for the businesses. Second, more market volatility. The last trade war showed us one thing. Investors hate uncertainty. We have to expect some big market swing as business start to adjust to this tariff strategy. So if businesses absorb the cost, the profit will shrink, wages will drop, and this will lead to slower hiring. Or otherwise, if they pass the cost to consumer, inflation will rise and spending will drop. So either way, Americans will feel the impact. Thirdly is the inflation risk due to the higher import costs that affect the everyday goods to get more expensive. And because of this will force the Federal Reserve to increase the interest rate to control the inflation, which would put more pressure on the stock market. Fourth, a win for the US manufacturing? Well, if businesses move the production back to the US, some American factories may benefit, but this will not happen overnight. Supply chain disruption and the rising labor costs might cause short-term pain before the long-term gain. And lastly, China will definitely hit back. Trade wars goes both ways. In the past dispute, China retaliated by raising tariff on American goods. And this time, they are doing the same on American coal and liquefied natural gas, US crude oils, farm equipment, and vehicles. So China could do it again and make life harder for US businesses in China. This could definitely send a shockwave to the global market. So Trump trade war 2.0 will definitely impact some certain sectors. Some will gain and some will lose. Stock market is expected to face a roller coaster ride because of this uncertainty, since all the countries are still in discussion about the tariff. So whether you are an investor or someone who are looking to protect your wallet, stay informed is the key. What do you think? Do you think that Trump's tariff strategy will benefit the US businesses or causing more chaos in the market? Drop your thought in the comment below. Do give this video a like and subscribe to our channel to support us and the algorithm. Stay tuned for the next one. Bye bye.